Alright, so this is part 0 of making a skateboard deck. I wanted to show the first process, which is gluing the veneers together. So just to be clear, this is not the same skateboard deck as in my other videos in this series. This is the previous attempt. I did not record this part of the process in my successful attempt, that's why I'm showing this video. I wasn't able to get a cross grain in the appropriate length, so I've cut my veneers to make segments of cross grain. With this one I have thicker veneers, so I only needed to use, I think it was 8 layers to make the appropriate thickness. I messed up when I cut some of these cross grain segments, so that's why some of them are a funny shape. So these veneers are the standard thickness for a skateboard deck, which is 1.5 millimeters. Here, let me show you the thin veneers that I used for the attempt I made after this, which was successful. Here are the veneers that I used for the Making a Skateboard Deck video series. Here they come. Wood veneer. Okay, I got 3 types of wood. Windy wood. I got eucalyptus. I think that's this one. And I've got mahogany. I really enjoy working with these thin veneers, even though it takes so many layers to build a skateboard. Okay, so back to the skateboard that was a failed attempt with the thicker veneers. And here I'm using a vacuum bag. I did not use a vacuum bag for my latest attempt. I just clamped the wood together between 2 skateboards. Okay, and then do the rest of the way with the hand pump. Get a little more air out. I'm going to pull the bag out from between the cracks because they get sucked into the cracks. I think that the vacuum bag method is a good method, but just using the clamps between 2 skateboards seems to work just as well. It's take more air out. Okay. Okay. And this is pretty much ready to just let it sit for 24 hours. After which, take it out, you can trim the edges, or sand them down, and you got a skateboard. That's it. And that was building a skateboard. That was a skateboard build. Here are the results of the failed attempt, and I explain here. It's delaminating, so that I need to put more glue on next time, and also it never really got stiff. Like I stepped on it and it's flattened out. Even after having it 24 hours in the vacuum bag, and then I left it clamped up to that skateboard with clamps for like a week, and it still never got rigid enough. Okay, that's it for this video. Sorry if this one was too complicated. I really just wanted to show the process of gluing the veneers, but then I thought I might as well show the vacuum bag process and the results of a failed attempt. So thanks for watching.